Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing some leather cases from Nomad. Okay, first I would like to take this opportunity to thank Nomad for sending these cases. They sent me these amazing cases for us to review in this channel, and I've also posted the photos on my IG. If you haven't followed my IG account, please follow at Paolo Marasigan. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, so here are our products from Nomad. First, this is the Nomad rugged case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the one with the MagSafe. So the packaging looks great. It's very sleek and very modern. And then on the back, you can see the comparison between day 1 and day 100. So as you can see, there's a slight patina even if it's a black leather. On this part, it says built-in magnet array for MagSafe compatibility. It is compatible with your MagSafe accessories like the MagSafe charger, the MagSafe wallet. And then the leather from Chicago develops a patina over time. So as you can see, day 1 versus day 100. And then lastly, internal bumper for 10 feet drop protection. So aside from the aesthetics, they also focuses on the security of your phone. And then it says here Horween Leather. So that's the brand or the leather that was used for this particular case. And that's about it. Let's try to open this one. Okay, so on the left side, it says here Horween Leather. So a patina develops as the leather matures over time. So this is a dark lustrous sheen that emerges through the use of exposure to the elements. This rich effect can only be experienced in high quality vegetable tanned leathers like the Horween aniline dyed hides we proudly use. So this is a good quality leather as they said. And then here's the case. Let's just put this on the side first and let's just check what else can we see on the box. So here it says we are Nomad, so it is our philosophy as a company and as a team, owning fewer things, being resourceful, and seeking adventure. This is the very core of our product vision, creating minimalist, practical tools that keep us powered on the go. We develop all of our product concepts from the ground. So upon relying on the lightest, thinnest, and strongest materials for our design. So get out there and create your adventure. So buy Nomad, and that's it. Nothing else inside the box. And let's just check the quality of the case. Okay, so this is a really smooth leather, and actually I'm excited about the patina. So the worn out, or you can call it battle damage from your phone. So I'm really excited for that one. And then there's the camera cutout. On this side, you can see the power button. And then on the left side, you can see the volume up and down and the cutout for the mute switch. So as you can see here, there's a MagSafe part, and then this is some felt material on the back to keep your phone from getting scratched while using the case. And then there's the logo Nomad here. Okay, so I have here a magnet paper. So let's check if there's a magnet included for this case. So yes, as you can see, there's a very familiar circular magnet for the MagSafe accessories. So rest assured that this product will really accommodate the other MagSafe accessories like the MagSafe wallet and the MagSafe charger. Okay, moving on with the Nomad strap. So this is also a Horween leather for the Apple Watch. So this is for 44 and 42 millimeters. And then on the box, some features or specifications. So this is a stainless steel with the modern build, and this is handmade. And yeah, the famous patina effect, the worn out effect of the watch. So I'm excited for that as well. So this one works with all the Apple Watch available. So from Series 1 to Series 6. And then as you can see here, it's also Horween leather, same as the rugged case. And then you can see here the Apple Watch strap. And that's it. Okay, so here is the strap. Okay, so this is a very sleek strap, and the materials used are very high quality, so best in class. Okay, last but not the least, the Nomad rugged case for the Airpods. So this is another Horween leather material. Just check in front, you can see the case with the Airpods. On the back, you can see the day 1 versus day 100 effect. So I guess there's not much difference. So, but there's a little bit of worn out, but it still looks good actually. Okay, so opening it, now we can see the case itself. So let's just put this on the side. So this is a good quality case for your AirPods. Actually, I've been using these cases for the past week now, and I must say that they are really great cases. From the feel of the leather to the smell of the leather, you know it's a genuine leather that's used in your cases. So let me know down below if you want to see an actual day 1 versus day 100 difference on what it might look like over time. So again, huge thanks to Nomad for sending these amazing products and cases. So if you don't know Nomad, just check on the link down below. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So ganito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.